Today, I'm reviewing one of the most talked about 3D printers right now, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly who this printer is for and who should skip it. If you're new to 3D printing, or you want a fast, reliable machine without constant tweaking, this video is for you. This is a hands-on style breakdown of the Adventurer 5M. How it works, what makes it special, and why so many creators are choosing it for home, school, and small workshops. Amazon link is in the description if you want to check availability. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a compact, all-metal CoreXY 3D printer designed for people who want fast printing, clean, accurate results, and minimal setup headaches. It's built to be plug-and-print, but still powerful enough for serious projects. One of the biggest pain points in 3D printing is bed leveling. With the Adventurer 5M, that's basically gone. You press a button, and the printer automatically levels the bed for you. That means better first layers, fewer failed prints, less manual adjustment. For beginners, this is a huge confidence booster. This printer uses a CoreXY motion system, which is known for speed and stability. It can move at up to 600 millimeters per second, with extremely high acceleration, so prints that used to take hours can now be done much faster, without sacrificing accuracy. This makes it ideal for rapid prototyping, small business production, classroom environments, makers who value time. Another standout feature is the 3-second detachable nozzle system. No complicated tools, no long disassembly. You can switch nozzles almost instantly, which is perfect if you want fine detail prints, or faster, thicker prints. The printer also heats up extremely fast, reaching print temperature in under a minute, so you spend less time waiting and more time creating. The Adventurer 5M uses a 280-degree AC direct drive extruder, which gives you strong layer adhesion, clean corners, reliable extrusion. It also supports multiple nozzle sizes, from fine detail to high-flow printing, making it very versatile for different projects. The dual-fan cooling system and vibration compensation help keep prints sharp, smooth, and consistent, even at high speeds. This printer also works with the FlashMaker mobile app. You can monitor prints remotely, check progress in real time, manage jobs intelligently. That's perfect if your printer is in a workshop, classroom, or another room. With a 220x 220x 220mm build volume, it hits the sweet spot for most users. It's compact enough for a desk, large enough for functional parts. The all-metal frame keeps everything stable even during fast prints. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a great choice if you are a beginner who wants stress-free printing, a hobbyist upgrading from a slow machine, a teacher or school lab, a small business doing rapid prototyping. If you want speed plus reliability plus ease of use, this printer checks all the right boxes. If you want to see the latest availability, compatible accessories, or the Pro version, I've put the Amazon link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and I really appreciate it. The Adventurer 5M focuses on what actually matters: less setup, faster printing, better consistency. It's not about complicated tweaking, it's about getting reliable results, print after print. If that's what you're looking for, this is definitely one worth checking out. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and comment below if you want a comparison video or print test breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.